What up, guys? It's Marty. Anyway, what I wanted to do today is update all the peoples out there about how my McLaren Formula 1 Lego Speed Champions, cars being built and everything, because, this is what I got. Oh yeah. Anyway, guys, so, tonight is the big Formula 1 race, and on my time, it's at 9 p.m., where I live. It starts at 9 p.m. Now, that's something, because, I'm at 9 p.m. I had a good thing I don't live on the East Coast, because on the East Coast, it'd be midnight and everything. However, this June, I'm going down south and everything, thinking about going to that NASCAR race in Nashville and everything. So, hey, if you in Nashville during that NASCAR race, slide into them DMs, because, I want to go to that NASCAR race. But anyway, guys, then we go into Georgia for a Blade show and everything, going to be in Hotlanta. So anyway, guys, so I got to update you on a few things. So in my last video, I was complaining about this whole Lego Speed Champions because I opened up all the bags because I couldn't find a certain piece, and I was like, jeez, Lego, I don't know why you number your bags when in the instructions it doesn't tell you which bag to open. Well, guys, turns out I just didn't progress far enough along. So I was currently, when I was complaining about this, at step number 25, and apparently when you get there, or not apparently, when you get to step 35, it tells you open up bag number 3 and number 4. So, my bad and everything. But, we got it happening. We got it crack-a-lacking. And hopefully today we can get it all complete. So, here's the big reveal of what my Formula 1 car looks like. I was going to say Max Verstappen, but then I remembered it's the McLaren one. Sorry. By the way, speaking of Max Verstappen, I was watching Big Idea Designs YouTube channel, check them out. Also on the interwebs, bigidesign.com for some titanium dreams, quality EDC stuff and everything. By the way, 10% off if you use discount code at checkout. So anyway, guys, on their most recent vlog, they got themselves a Red Bull fridge, and I was like, what? How did you get a Red Bull fridge? So guys, that's like the goal right there. I'm not sure if they're sponsored by Red Bull. In the video, old Brantley said that he got it from a distributor, but maybe he's sponsored by Red Bull and he doesn't want to say he's sponsored by Red Bull, because maybe he wants to get himself a Monster fridge too, or maybe a Celsius fridge, Who knows? Maybe he's just trying to get a fridge of each thing, Don't really know. Anyways, that'd be cool to get a Red Bull fridge. So hey, Red Bull, if you out there and you want to send me a Red Bull fridge, P.O. Box 1221, Newport, Oregon 97365, United States of America. Or McLaren, if you want to send me a Monster fridge, By the way, why isn't there Monster logos on this? So I also found out the reason why the Red Bull one says 18 plus is because it says Red Bull. Now McLaren has Monster, but there's no Monster logos on here. The Monster logos are on the McLaren helmet, but as you can see right there, no Monster logos. Maybe because they're like, hey, we don't want it to say 18 plus and everything. So that's just interesting how they're just like putting Monster to the side, like, get out of here, Monster. You one of our sponsors, IRL, in real life, but on the Lego, you ain't a sponsor because we don't like you, Monster. Something like that and everything. But in reality, that helmet right there, it should be full of Monster logos, but it ain't. So maybe they're just like and everything. Don't really know. But anyway, here's the reveal of what my Lando Norris, or maybe Oscar Piastri car looks like right now. So this is what I got right now and everything. You see? That's just what I got right now. But we're getting there, guys. We're on step number 62, guys. 62. So hopefully by the end of today, we can get this built and everything. And also, I really want to go live on with Marty Kauffman domain channel, and we can try out the Max Verstappen, Formula 1 car, because I want to do this one live, You know, for all the peoples out there. Because, you know, I think that'd be good to go live. But guys, tell you what, this one right here, boy, has it taken me a while. I think mostly because, you know, I kind of screwed up and I just opened everything. Also, I've been having some family drama, you know. A whole lot of family stuff going on, you guys, you know. Tell you what. But, hey, we got that all figured out now, you know. It's in the past now. And, yeah, we're moving on, guys. You know, maybe one day we can be like George Jefferson and move on up, you know, to the apartment in the sky. Ha. Oh. Move it on up. You know. Anyway. So, I got myself my coffee for the morning. You know, cheers. Little Debbie. Hey, if you ever get a chance to go to Collegedale, Tennessee, go check out the Little Debbie place. Anyway, guys, kind of rambling on, but I just wanted to give you an update about the McLaren Formula 1 Speed Champions Lego car build. So, anyway, like I said, it's taken me a while because family drama. Also, I'm not an expert in Legos. It's been a long time since I played with Legos. And also, I'm not an engineer. So, you know, get what you get. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Keep spreading the good vibes only. Remember, we're still trying to get to those 4,000 watch hours. And, yeah, so watch some of the videos on Marty Kauffman and check out the Instagram account. Also, Marty Kauffman. All right, guys, keep spreading the good vibes only. And, you know, Marty out. Burp.